Today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 469 different strategies, with 142 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex Indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. And since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 368 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,063 indicators, with 443 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. And so the source video says the number one trading strategy nobody talks about, and it's shockingly simple. And so of course we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of it. What we'll do is just go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the high and low optimized trend tracker. This one right here. Go ahead and add this one to the screen and everything stays on the default settings. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the swing arm ATR, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. It's also known as the black flag indicator. And this one we're going to jump into the settings. Under the indicator time frame, you're going to want to change this higher than your chart time frame. So in this particular case, we're on a 30-minute time frame. We changed it to a 2-hour time frame. Go ahead and jump into the styles, and we're going to leave the Fib3, the L1, and this very last plots background checked. Everything else you can uncheck. In this plots background, I changed it to a more vibrant green, bumped up the opacity all the way. Same thing with the red, more vibrant red, opacity up all the way. Go ahead and click OK. And so what we're looking for a short trade is we are looking for the black flag indicator to have a green bar background. And so keep in mind that this is a higher time frame, which is why this bar is actually set back a little bit, because the 2-hour time frame on the 30-minute chart has not closed yet. And so right now you can see that it switched from this green to this red right here, telling us that we're in a downtrend. And so then what we're looking for is we are looking for the price action to pull back into the HL cloud and break out. And we get a breakout to the downside. You can see that it gives us this purple coloration of the bars right here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. So we're going to put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right above this pivot, or if the top of the cloud is closer, we'd put it at the top of the cloud. But in this case, the pivot is closer, so we'll put it there. And we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And a really quick push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we're looking for is we're looking for the green bars from the black flag indicator or the swing arm indicator. And then we're looking for a breakout to the upside of the HL cloud. And you can see that we get the breakout right here, and when it does, the bar coloration turns to this light blue color, and that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just at the bottom of the cloud this time because it's a little bit closer than the swing, and we're going to target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward just like before. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. All right, this one takes just a little bit longer, but we run into consolidation and then this really nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. All right, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. All right, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we got 19 winning trades and 31 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 38% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $11,400. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $12,400 for an overall loss of $1,000 altogether. So, I guess nobody talks about the strategy because it doesn't appear to be a great strategy. Shockingly, I wouldn't say shockingly bad, but definitely not great. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 33 trades altogether. We had 28 winning trades and 5 losing trades. It's going to put it at an 82% win rate. If you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $16,800. On the losing side, you would have lost $6,000 for an overall gain of $10,800. So definitely better results. And if you'd use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, it would have increased the win rate significantly. The total gain would have been closer to the $16,000. So definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. So we are still at that winning trade number 70. I'll put a screenshot up of that trade on screen now. As I said in the last video, working on a few other strategies, kind of similar strategies with a little bit more frequent trading. And so, but nonetheless, that was using the crypto scalping strategy and the position management strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago. In backtesting, the combination was so powerful, it did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. If that's something you are interested in, click the links down below in the description and follow those for some more information. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.